Hey everyone! Today we will be checking out the dyplay soundbar. It is a modern, minimalist soundbar which I can use to enhance the audio of my entertainment system in my home. Let's check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will find one dyplay soundbar speaker, one power adapter, one user guide. To help users set up the product, a remote control is provided so users can have wireless control over the speakers when they are afar. An AUX cable is provided to connect it directly to audio source. Also included is an optical cable, a HDMI cable, and a AUX cable adapter, packed neatly into the product packaging. On first impressions, the dyplay soundbar looks really solid in black, enhancing its sleek and modern design. It comes with anti-slip rubber base pads so that when people place it down onto a solid smooth surface like glass or wood, it stays put and doesn't slide around. Also, users can choose between wall mounting the soundbar or placing it on a table or console where it will stay in place with the rubber padding. Good options on this soundbar so far. There is 6 ways of connection on this soundbar. Users can choose to do it by Bluetooth, or via the physical ports at the back of the soundbar, like USB to plug in a USB disc with music on it, or AUX port for users to plug a music source into the soundbar. Optical fiber cord, HDMI and SD card support options are available too if users want to connect to it by these options. The TF card and HDMI ports can be found at the side of the audio port section. Well, array of options for every user to connect their ideal music source to the soundbar. At the side of the soundbar, users can access the physical control buttons on the soundbar, like power, volume and source keys to manually control the modes of the soundbar. Simply plug and play. Once powered up, the device will power up. There are multiple modes of connection to alternate to, as you can hear. The device will say out a prompt when changing in between connection modes.
Optical fiber, HDMI, Bluetooth, no SD card. Please insert USB.
First, let's connect to it over Bluetooth. Simply head over to your device settings and get it connected to the dyplay soundbar. Check out the sound quality on it. The sound quality is crisp and clear. With the 100-watt high-powered bass, I can get clear and powerful beats when jamming to my favorite tunes. It has a wireless remote control that is provided. As you see, there is a whole host of controls like alternating between connection modes, volume settings and more. Pretty comprehensive control features on the remote. With the equalizer feature on the device, I can manually alternate between different equalizer modes as you see here.
Game, music, movie, news, game.
I can get more accurate music playback from the audio source when I change the EQ feature according to the mode I want. Cool feature on this device. With the remote control, I have control over the audio output volume and playlist settings wirelessly. With a press of the remote, I can turn the volume up and down with ease, pause and play music tracks and forward and backwards music playlists with ease. Awesome! Overall, I find the dyplay soundbar a great tool for families who love watching movies, jamming to music or gaming. I personally like it for music, as I can connect over to it via Bluetooth, or via the whole host of other connection options. If I am gaming, I can use the optical mode for better gaming sound quality and experience, especially with the gaming EQ mode configured for all my gaming needs. If you want to find out more about the dyplay soundbar, you can check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.